Protected access is a way for you to password protect a page or a file on your CMS. So first, let's show you how to designate who will have access. When you log into the CMS, you will want to click on the More button on the left-hand side, and then click on Protected Access. You are brought to this page. By default, it will have all faculty and staff and all students. If I click on the button that says New Protected Access, I am brought to this page. From here, I can give this list a title, and then I can select who I want to have access. You're given 4 options: all students, all faculty and staff, custom username and passwords, and specific GVSU network logons. If you check the box for all students or all faculty and staff, the person must enter their GVSU username and password in order to gain access. They would be taken to a page that looks like this. If you check the box for custom username and passwords, you can then manually enter in the username and password for a user to gain access. I have one example here of the username of top, password of secret. I can then click the Add button and add in another one if I so desire. And then if I want to use that one, I simply place a check in that box that says Use and then say Submit. Lastly, if you select the checkbox Specific GVSU Network Logins, you can then enter a list of GVSU Network Logins to this section right here. So for this example, I will add myself, and then I will add Dave Portfleet. For each user that you add, you will separate it with a comma. Once I am done, I simply click the Submit button, and now myself and Dave are the only 2 people that will have access to whatever it is that we're protecting. Now that we've established the permissions, let's show how to password protect your site or file. If I click on the content link on the left-hand side, and then I will click on the blue Edit button for the page I want to protect. I am now editing the content of this page. From here, I will then click on the More Options button, and under the section for permissions, I'm going to change the selection to Only people with protected access can view this content item. Once that's selected, you will see and you can select who you want to have access based off of the previous list we've created. Once done, scroll to the bottom and click the Publish button. Now, all of our changes are saved. You can also have protected access on a file, such as a Word document or a PDF. I'm going to click on the File Manager on the left-hand side, and then I'm going to click Upload. From here, I can choose the file that I wish to upload, but then I can change this option to Only people with protected access can view or download this file. Select the group that I wish to have access to the file, say Upload, and now that file will also be password protected.